Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about self-care. Now I know many of us thinks that self-care is selfish. It seems selfish many a times, but self-care is really important because when we commit to our self-care, we preserve this ability. We strengthen the ability to rise up when there are challenging times, when there are problems in our lives, when there are problems around us and within us. So self care is really important. In today's video I'll be giving you 3 tips for self care, and I'll be telling you what to do. Also I'll be telling you why you should do this. I have a psychological background, so I guess this can help. So the first tip of self care is building and managing your routines. Routine is not just something to manage your time or manage your work, but it is an excellent tool for self care. Why? Because we all love comfort zone, we all like certainty, and we seek it desperately. When there is uncertainty around us, we feel anxious, we feel unpleasant, we feel unhappy, sad, and there are so many emotions attached to the uncertainty. So routine gives us that sense of certainty. We know exactly what we will be doing next in our day, and that helps us to feel content, feel peaceful, right? So routine gives us that sense of normalcy and certainty in the abnormal times. Second self-care tip is eating nutritious food, getting enough sleep, and third thing is being active. Now these 3 things are like the foundations of the self-care, cause eating healthy food makes us feel healthy, as well as it helps us strengthen our immune system and overall body. Second is getting enough sleep helps us take a chance for our body to repair itself and recharge for the next day. Third is being active or doing some kind of exercise helps us release endorphins, which are the hormones which helps us to feel less pain and feel rejuvenated or pumped up for the rest of the day and rest of the life. So these 3 foundational self-care are very much important, and we should take them more seriously than we think. Third tip for self-care is practicing mindfulness. Now mindfulness is a practice of awareness, of acceptance and non-judgmental attitude. Also mindfulness is a practice of living in the present moment, because what happens with us is we drift into future or in the past and experience that automatic negative thinking pattern, which makes us feel distressed and negative for the whole day or a week or a month or a year. Now these automatic thoughts creates problem for ourselves in every situation. So to control this automatic negative thinking, we can practice mindfulness, which helps us to be in the present moment for most of our times. And you can take help of the apps which are available on the Play Store, that is the Calm and the Headspace, to practice mindfulness regularly. It's a guided imagery technique which helps you a lot. So do check out those apps, and also tell me in the comment box how you like all these tips and the information regarding it. Have you already tried it? If you have tried all these kinds of tips, then tell me, were they useful to you and how they changed your life. Until next time, see you. Bye bye.